Welcome. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to set your Discord status so it automatically clears by the end of the day. This quick update makes it super easy to keep your profile fresh and clutter-free, especially if you often set temporary statuses. Let's dive in and walk through each step together. First, open the Discord app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to adjust. Once the app loads, take a look at the bottom right corner. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and tap it to open your user settings. Next, on your profile screen, find the section that says Add Status. Tap that and you'll see a menu where you can create a custom status. You can type anything you'd like, maybe a short message or an emoji that represents what you're doing today. Now comes the important part. Below your status text, you'll notice an option called Clear After. This lets you decide when your status should automatically disappear. Tap Clear After, and you'll get a few choices like never 30 minutes or 4 hours. For this tutorial, choose today. This setting means your status will stay visible until the end of the day and then automatically reset to normal, keeping things clean without you having to remember to remove it manually. Once you've selected today, confirm your choice and tap Save. That's